Hello everyone. Today I am going to represent proof of de Broglie hypothesis of matter wave. According to him, matter behave like a particle when not in a motion, that is stay state, and behave like a wave when in a motion. Matter wave. The wave associated with the moving particle is called as matter wave. The wavelength lambda of matter wave is given by the de Broglie hypothesis. That is lambda is equal to h upon pi, where lambda is equal to wavelength of matter wave, p momentum, h Planck's constant. Proof of de Broglie hypothesis is de Broglie first used Einstein's famous equation related to mass and energy, that is E is equal to mc square. Equation number 1, where E is equal to energy, m is equal to mass, c is equal to speed of light. Then using Planck equation, E is equal to h nu, where E is equal to energy, h is equal to Planck constant, h is Planck constant, but nu is equal to c upon lambda. By comparing equation 1 and equation 2, mc square is equal to h nu, mc square is equal to h c upon lambda. Yes, c mc square, c is cancel, lambda is equal to h upon mc, lambda is equal to h upon p, that is p is equal to mc, momentum is equal to mass into speed of light, that is p is equal to mc, lambda is equal to h upon pi. This is the de Broglie hypothesis of matter wave. De Broglie wavelength of matter wave in terms of kinetic energy. If first is E is equal to kinetic energy, E is equal to 1 upon 2 mc square is equal to 1 upon 2 mc square, m into m, that factor is m into m v square, m into 2, m into m m square v square 2m. E is equal m square v square is equal to p momentum. E is equal to p square 2m, p square 2m, divide ची टर्म मल्टिप्लाय ला गेल्यानंतर 2 is equal to m, p is equal to p चा स्क्वेअर घेण्यासाठी आपण स्क्वेअर रूट घेतलेला आहे. लॅम्बडा इज इक्वल टू h अपॉन p, दॅट de Broglie ने h अपॉन लॅम्बडा वापरला. लॅम्बडा इज इक्वल टू h अपॉन 2me. De Broglie hypothesis in terms of potential energy, V is equal to potential difference. Then kinetic energy is given by Ke is equal to Ev. In terms of kinetic energy असल्यामुळे Ke is equal to Ev घेतलेला आहे. E is equal to charge of electron 1 upon 2 m. Kinetic energy चा फॉर्म्युला आहे 1 upon 2 m स्क्वेअर आणि E is equal to v स्क्वेअर. v स्क्वेअर आपण इकडे घेतलं, 2 ला डिवाइड ला पाठवल्यामुळे 2 is equal to Ev upon m होतं आणि v चा स्क्वेअर काढण्यासाठी आपण स्क्वेअर रूट घेतलेला आहे. V is equal to 2m ev m. According to de Broglie hypothesis of matter wave, lambda is equal to h upon p. h upon p चा momentum चा फॉर्म्युला आहे m is equal to v. Lambda is equal to h upon m into 2 evm. That is lambda is equal to h into root m upon root m into root m. Root m is cancelled. Lambda is equal to h upon root 2m emv. That is de Broglie hypothesis in terms of potential energy. This is the equation of potential energy. Thank you.